you make reflection, refraction, and dispersion. Reflection. Materials, flashlight and mirror. The flashlight shines light onto the mirror. The mirror reflects the light onto paper. The light forms a bright spot on the paper. This happens because the mirror follows the law of reflection. The angle of the incoming light is the same as the angle of the reflected light. The paper helps make the reflection visible. Refraction. Materials, glass and pen. The pen looks broken or bent because light changes direction. This is called refraction. It's happening because light moves slower in the water than in air. This is why things underwater look different from how they really are. Dispersion. Materials mirror bound with water and sunlight. Sunlight passes through the water and reflects onto the paper. The light bends and spreads into different colors, creating a rainbow effect. This happens because of dispersion.